Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how the top tricks of your LG XBOOM Go speaker. So, the most important thing, and for me the best top trick, is that we have on our speaker the LED lights here. If you scroll a little bit down, you can enable and disable them and manage all the effects we have here in the app. We can disable, enable, we can do everything. We can change the brightness even, etc. Apart from that, we have in our speaker something which is called One Touch mode, and here we can play everything from our playlist just using a simple tap on the LED light mode. Apart from that, we have the dual connection mode, which is worth partling, called here, and we have the alarms in the speaker. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.